how to fix voice clone sound in ElevenLabs. It's a pretty common issue that a lot of people face, so let's see how we can go and fix it. Here, simply go to the main website of ElevenLabs, like this. And if you don't have an account, just go and create one. It takes about a minute to create one. So once you're on the main page, click on this voices button and it will take us to this page. Click on create voice. Now, most people use this instant voice clone to create a clone of their voice. But if you want to use a clone professionally, I'll recommend you to go for this one because it's really clear when you clone voice using this one. But still, you can use instant voice clone to clone your voice. And how to fix the sound of the voice clone? In order to fix it, the key is make sure the audio that you're gonna paste here, it's of great quality, does not have any noisy background voices, or your microphone quality is not good. If you upload a good quality audio right here, you will have a good voice clone. And a lot of people use instant voice clone and it works for them. So if you're looking for something more professional, you can go for this option as well. And if you want to create a voice, you can also use this option. So this is all. I think that's it. And that's how you can go and fix the sound of the voice clone in ElevenLabs. I hope you found this really helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.